Are you planning to buy a home in Ontario and wondering about your financing options? This can seem like a daunting task, but fear not. We're here to break it down into clear, easy-to-understand steps. First, consider getting a mortgage pre-approval. This is essentially a green light from a lender saying they're willing to lend you a certain amount of money. It's a great way to know how much house you can afford and shows sellers that you're a serious buyer. Next, look into government programs designed to help first-time homebuyers. The First-Time Homebuyer Incentive, for instance, is a shared equity mortgage with the Government of Canada where they'll finance a portion of your home to lower your monthly payments. The Homebuyers Plan, on the other hand, allows you to withdraw up to $35,000 from your registered retirement savings plan to buy or build a qualifying home. Now let's talk about lenders. Traditional lenders like banks are a common choice, but alternative lenders can also be an option if you're having difficulty securing a mortgage from a bank. Just remember, whichever type of lender you choose, it's crucial to compare interest rates and terms to make sure you're getting the best deal. And don't forget, there are resources available to help you navigate this process. The Financial Consumer Agency of Canada, Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation, and the Ontario Real Estate Association all provide valuable information for home buyers. In summary, when planning to buy a home in Ontario, remember to consider mortgage pre-approval, explore government programs like the First-Time Homebuyer Incentive and the Homebuyers Plan, understand the differences between traditional and alternative lenders, and compare interest rates and terms. And always remember, there are resources available to help you every step of the way. Buying a home is a big decision, but with the right information, you can navigate this process with ease and confidence. Happy house hunting!